In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Typeform's URL. Personalizing your Typeform URL can make it easier for your audience to remember, and can also add a polished, professional touch to your forms and surveys. So, let's dive into the process and make your Typeform experience even better. To begin, let's head over to Typeform's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL typeform.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed to make your workflow seamless. Go ahead and click on Log In at the top right corner of the screen. Sign in with your credentials to access your Typeform account. If you don't have an account yet, you would need to create one, but for now, let's assume you're already a member of the Typeform community. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Typeform workspace. This is where all your existing forms are displayed, and you can create new ones as well. Now, look toward the top of your workspace, where you'll see the option labeled Admin Settings. Click on that, and you'll be guided to the administrative area where you can manage various settings regarding your Typeform account. In the Admin Settings, find the option that says Typeform URL. Clicking here will open a dedicated section for URL management. This is the area where we can make the changes you've been looking forward to. On this page, you'll see an option called Change URL. Click on it and you'll be taken to a field where you can enter your preferred URL extension. This is the perfect opportunity to customize your link. Think of a URL that resonates with your brand or something memorable for your audience. It could be your company name, a campaign title, or anything that mirrors the essence of your work. You might need to try a few variations if your preferred choice isn't available, but with a little creativity, you'll surely find the perfect fit. Once you're satisfied with your new URL, click on Change Your URL to confirm your choice. Take a moment to ensure everything is set up correctly. It might be helpful to open another tab and visit the new URL to see if it leads to your form successfully. This double-checking step ensures that there are no hitches before you start using the link with your audience. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully personalized your Typeform URL. This customization not only enhances the user experience, but also amplifies your brand's presence. Feel free to explore further options and settings within Typeform to make the most of this powerful tool. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!